Hey guys, Hal is here. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make 10 to 50,000 naira from the boat app without owning a car or a bike. Yes, you heard me right. If this sounds like something that interests you, please do not skip any part of this video. Please endeavor to watch to the very end. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Do you know that our boats now do order delivery? Like you are a business owner, you have an order, you can actually order a ride, then the rider is going to come, pick up the order and go and deliver it to your customer. Yes, I know you might be hearing it for the first time, but if you are not hearing it for the first time, please let me know in the comment section if you are not hearing it for the very first time. You might ask, Alex, how do I come in? You are going to be a middleman between businesses and their client or businesses and their customers. Okay, what you are going to do is this: you go to Facebook and join buy and sell group. Please, this video is getting more serious. I would like you to pay a very rapt attention. I'm going to go to Facebook and join all those buy and sell groups. The buy and sell group I will advise that you should really join are those buy and sell groups that are in the location that both app does their services. Please, those are the group you are going to join. Okay, you can also join WhatsApp group. Just go on Google and type WhatsApp group for businesses. You are going to see different WhatsApp group. Please join all those WhatsApp group. If you want to take this business up in a notch, you can do a flyer. To do a flyer is very easy. See that you pay somebody 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira to do a flyer for you. If you do not see after money, just go to Canva and get your flyer if you want to take the business in a notch. When you join those groups, you are going to be seeing people posting that I have an order, please have any delivery guy in this my area. Let me take Abuja as an example. Who has a delivery guy in Abuja that is delivery is really super fast? You can quickly reply those kind of comments and tell the person, yeah, I'm a delivery guy, I can help you deliver your parcel. Okay, and secondly, the way you can see get your client is when you join those groups, they are posting there might be 2 to 3 times in a week. That's every individual has the liberty to post 2 to 3 times in a week. What will you do? You see that you post out your flyer or you just write that you are a delivery guy. Whoever has an order should contact you for their delivery. Fine. How do you now start doing this business and making this money? What you do is this: once the person contacts you, are going to tell the person, give me the pickup address and the delivery address. Once the person will give you those details, go to the boat app, put in the pickup address and you also put in the delivery address. Then the charges involved that they are going to use to deliver that parcel will be there. One thing about boat delivery is it's very cheap. Please don't be selfish. You can add 1,000 naira or you can see add 1,500. The maximum amount you can add is actually 2,000 naira, so that people will not see that your service is very expensive. Just be considerate. Then you tell the person, this is the amount for your delivery. The person is going to pay you. Once the person pay you, you are going to book the order from the boat app, and the boat guy is going to go to that location, pick it up and go and deliver it. It's as simple as ABC that your customer will not even know that you are not the one who came and pick up that product. It's as simple as ABC. If you take this business very seriously, you are going to be making not less than 10 to 50,000 naira every day. On a bad day, you can make 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira is something. You can make no less than 10 to 50,000 naira each and every day if you take this business seriously. Go to Facebook, join buy and sell group. Do not skip on this update at all. Go to Google and type business WhatsApp group. You are going to see a whole lot of groups that will pop up. Join those groups. Tell them what you do. Tell them that you are a delivery guy. You will be comfortably in your home and earning this money every day. If you are making 10,000 naira every day or 50,000 naira, if you should add up those money in a month, that is something. In this present Nigeria we are today, we have to look for multiple stream of income because the rate of living in Nigeria has drastically increased, that even the sachet water is now being sold for 30 to 50 naira. This is not the time you need to really relax. That brings us to the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. Please share this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.